Hello everyone, today we're discovering together Dacia Striker, a new, dynamic, elegant, robust model, almost as stylish as my daughter Chloe. Ah, she didn't hear that.
Look at its dynamic lines, its 19-inch alloy wheels, its T-shaped light signature. Stunning.
Dacia Striker also features a trunk
With an innovative electric trunk opening,
its capacity of up to 600 litres and rear seats that fall flat. It's probably big enough to carry an elephant. Just keep your keys in your pocket and it opens like magic. Well, maybe a tiny elephant? Thanks to its modular and reversible 3-part floor, you can store all of your favorite things in there. Pretty handy, right? Now, let's move inside. The first thing you notice when you get in is the quality of these seats. And look at this huge panoramic sunroof. Perfect for enjoying the view sitting up or lying back effortlessly. Well, not all the time. No way, in the back, just like in the front, you'll find ultra spacious and very comfortable spaces. Look at that. Pretty comfortable, those seats, eh?
thanks to the very practical U-clip attachments. No stress. You can hang or store whatever you want, wherever you want. Now, let's talk technology. With a 7-inch light visual cluster offering a projected, immersive display designed for clear readability. You'll discover a 10-inch median nav live system with wireless smartphone replication to access all of your favorite apps. Blind spot warning, safe occupant exit, adaptive cruise control. With 16 driving safety assistance features, it's impossible to mention them all.
But my favorite is the multi-view camera. Front camera, left camera, right camera, and the rear camera. Now, let's move on to the pinnacle of technology with the built-in cable pass-through to hide your co-pilot's phone charger cable.
Thanks.
You're welcome. And, ooh, great hidden feature with this built-in ice scraper on the driver's side. Listen to that sound with 6 sound speakers everybody can enjoy.
Dacia Striker reinvents the road car with today's standards. Equipped with its 19cm ground clearance, you can go wherever you please.
Ah, there you are. I thought I'd lost you.
The model I've presented to you today is Dacia Striker Hybrid 155. Hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox.
Clearly the perfect solution for all of your trips.
Plus, I've got to say, I'm a massive fan of its new frost green colour.
Dacia Striker is also available in 150 Hybrid 4x4 and mild hybrid G140. Versatile, stylish, robust. You now know Dacia Striker.
Who are you talking to?
Teenagers.